Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a vertical video into a landscape video using Capcut. This is useful if you want your video to fit better on platforms that use a horizontal format. We will walk you through how to adjust the aspect ratio and position your clips. On your Capcut dashboard, click Create Project to import your video. Then click Import and select your portrait video. As you can see, the video is in portrait mode. To convert it to landscape, drag and drop the video into the timeline. Next, click on the ratio option. Then select 16:9 to apply the standard landscape ratio. As you can see, the video is now in landscape mode. From here, we can adjust the video to fill the sides, or we can add a background to fill the empty space and make it fit the screen. We will simply align the clip, and when we play it back, the video is fully converted to landscape. We have successfully converted the video into a landscape format in Capcut. The video is now ready for platforms that support horizontal viewing.